Hello folks, Robert here with more Revit training. We're back looking at our house that we're working on. It's a flip house, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this every day. So we're looking at this house here. We're gonna just go in. We saw the interior before in photographs. I don't want to even show them again. It looks so bad. So what I want to do here, I want to start creating my demolition drawing. So I want to just go to level 1 and I'm going to duplicate this view, and I'm going to rename this to demo plan. Okay, so now we're in this drawing. So what I want to do, since we're going to remove all these walls, basically what needs to be done here is we're going to grab these walls. I probably should have just grabbed them all in filter, but actually all this equipment goes, and then I have all this selected. This phase demolish for this view, and this times this was happening in time. So this is going to be new construction, and the lines are going to be dotted. The phase filter shows the lines dotted. That's things are going to be removed. So that's our demo plan. Now, what they did here, basically, geez, where is it? Didn't do it again. Sorry, folks. Okay, so this is the second floor. So you see there 2 by 12. Wow, those I'll throw the 2 by, well, it might be 2 by 6 or 2 by 8 since this is the row. And there's our second level front view. And then this is the looking toward the back on the first level. That bathroom was in there and everything. So he basically tore everything out. And there's the back of the house is the back stair, and there's all the garbage that was torn out from the demolition. So that's kind of what they do. And now here we've got our demo plan. So I'm going to go back to my level 1 now. And then in this level, this phase filter, I want to change this back to show none. Or no, not that one. I'm sorry. Show all. And then I want to have this phase existing. Uh-oh. So none here. Existing. So I goofed up here. I'm going to show all. Am I on the right level? What happened there? Just push this back a minute, folks. Sorry. Okay, now this is level 1. And in this level 1, my phase filters on new construction. It should be existing. No, it's not existing. Show complete. There you go. So now on this in this drawing now, I'm going to go in and do all these new partitions and everything. So basically what I want to do here, I think, let's see how this is going to go. I think we wanted 2 bedrooms here, so let's just draw my architectural wall. I'm going to go with this. I mean, Revit's good for this. Just place some walls here. This is going to go to here and then there. And we want to get 2 bedrooms in here, but we need closets. So I'm going to do this little thingy here that I've done a lot in school. I don't see it too much. We'll get this double back thing here so we can get a closet on each side. So just drag that up and drag this down. Uh-oh. And then I could just do bifold doors, 1 on each side. So I can go here, architecture door. I hope I got something in here. So we know how to go in and get doors now. So let's just, I thought I had something in this project. Apparently not so long ago. We know how to do this. We go, but again, we're in 2023. So you want to insert, you want to load family. Now there's some bugs in this thing. To show you, I'll give you some examples. Doors. They did add some nice ones though. Double flush panel. So they did add more families, but sometimes when you're asked to like load families from like when they ask you that question, do you want to load a family? You can't go straight to the cloud. So they got to work on that one. So let me see. I'm going to try this double panel. I'm going to load this in, and let me see. What do I want here? Let's just try this one for now. I want a bifold door, but I don't think I need to. So this is the first floor. I'm getting my doors in here, my regular doors, and I have to find those. I'm gonna waste time loading stuff. This is gonna be 36 by 80. No, this is 36 by 84 here. So his closet is going. I already see how the closet is going to work now. It's based on this door. This door is going to be on this side. And this is going to be on this one. And then I'm going to add another door here. I'll flip that over. And then back in this area, we've got these windows here. So we've got a wall here now for the kitchen, where the kitchen was. I'm going to just place this here for now. And then this is going to be 8 feet. I think. We don't know, but we'll check. Then we got our bathroom in here, the bathroom wall here. And I'm going to adjust these guys accordingly, so that would be about there. And then here's the dining room, the open concept that they wanted. So look, guys, let me go ahead and finish doing my modeling. It's coming along pretty good. We've got the stairs to do, the site work to do, because there's a lot of repair work going on out here. So I'm going to continue on modeling this, and hopefully to finish this. And okay, got a little issue there. Okay, so anyway, folks, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and thanks for all of your support. Talk to you soon, folks. Bye, and everybody, please be safe.